Hey everyone! Welcome to English Podcast with FTJ. I'm Jennifer, and today we're going to talk about something super useful, daily English conversation.
That's right. If you want to speak English naturally every day, this episode is just for you. We'll learn simple, natural phrases that people use in real life, not just in grammar books.
Exactly. These are the kinds of expressions you can use anywhere, at home, at school, at work, or even when chatting with friends.
And we'll also show you how to sound more natural, with the right emotion, rhythm, and tone.
So if you ever feel like your English sounds a little too formal, don't worry. After today's episode, you'll sound more confident and natural in your everyday conversations.
Awesome. Let's get started with our first group of daily English phrases.
All right, let's start learning some daily English phrases that real people use in everyday conversations. These are short, natural, and easy to remember.
Yes, the first one is, how's it going? It's a friendly and casual way to ask, how are you? Or, how have you been?
Exactly. Instead of always saying, how are you? You can say, hey Jack, how's it going? It sounds much more natural and relaxed.
Right. And you can answer like, it's going great. Just finished my morning coffee. Or, not bad. Just a bit tired today.
See, it's not formal or robotic. It sounds like real-life English, what native speakers say every day.
Cheerful. The next phrase is, what's up? This one is super popular among friends. It means, what's new? Or, how are you doing? But it's very casual.
Right. For example, hey Jack, what's up? And Jack can say, not much, just getting ready for the podcast.
Or, not much, just chilling at home. It's quick and natural, and you can use it anytime you meet friends.
You can also say it as a greeting without expecting a big answer, like, hey, what's up? When you see someone. It just sounds friendly and easygoing.
Now, the next phrase is, sounds good. We use this to show we agree with someone's idea or plan.
Like if your friend says, let's have lunch at 1 p.m., you can say, sounds good. It's a nice, natural way to agree without just saying, okay or yes.
You can also say, sure, sounds good to me. It's friendly and positive and shows you're happy with the idea.
And here's a tip. Instead of saying, okay, all the time, try saying, that works for me. Sounds great. Perfect. They all mean the same, but they make your English sound smoother and more confident.
Nice. Let's add one more common phrase, no worries. We say this when we want to tell someone, it's fine, or don't worry about it.
For example, if someone says, oh, sorry I'm late, you can say, no worries. It's friendly, polite, and sounds natural.
Yeah, it shows you're relaxed and easygoing, a great attitude for daily conversation.
So today we learned a few super useful phrases. How's it going? What's up? Sounds good. That works for me. And no worries.
Try using them when you talk to friends, classmates, or coworkers. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak naturally and with confidence.
Exactly. The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound.
Great. In the next part, we'll learn phrases for friendly and small talk conversations. Things you can say when you meet people or start a chat.
All right, let's get started with some daily English phrases that you can use every single day with friends, family, or even at work.
Yeah, these are the phrases that make your English sound real, just like native speakers. Not too formal, not too serious, just natural and smooth.
Okay, the first one is, how's it going? It's another way to say, how are you? But it sounds more relaxed and friendly.
Right. For example, hey, Jennifer, how's it going?
It's going great, thanks for asking. See, simple and natural.
You can also say it's going well, or not bad, or even pretty good. Those all sound nice and natural in daily conversation.
And remember, people don't expect long answers. Just keep it short and friendly.
The next one is, what's up? You'll hear this all the time from native speakers. It means, what's new, or how are you doing?
Yes, for example, hey Jack, What's up?
Not much, just watching a movie. Or not much, just hanging out.
It's a super casual way to start a conversation. You can use it with friends, but not in a formal meeting.
Yeah, don't say what's up to your boss, unless you're really close.
Exactly. Keep it casual with friends and people your age.
All right, the next one is sounds good. We use this when we agree with someone's plan or idea.
Like if someone says, let's meet at 5 p.m., you can say, sounds good.
You can also say, sounds perfect, or that works for me. These are great replacements for okay or sure.
And they make your English sound more natural and friendly, not too plain.
Exactly. Try mixing them. Sounds great. Perfect. Yeah, that works. Each of them adds a little emotion to your reply.
Now, another one that's super common is no worries. We use this when we want to say, it's okay, or don't worry about it.
For example, if someone says, sorry I'm late, you can reply, no worries.
Or if your friend says, oops, I forgot your pen, you can say, no worries, I've got another one.
It sounds kind and relaxed, perfect for everyday English.
Exactly. It shows that you're easygoing and positive, and that's a big part of speaking naturally.
So let's do a quick recap. We learned, how's it going? What's up? Sounds good. And no worries.
These are small but powerful phrases. They help you sound friendly, confident, and natural, just like real conversations in English.
Try to use them when you talk with your friends or classmates. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to sound natural and relaxed.
Beautiful. And in our next part, we'll share phrases for friendly small talk, what to say when you meet someone, or just want to start a short, polite conversation.
Can't wait. Let's go there next.
Welcome back, everyone. In this part, we're going to learn some small talk phrases, the kind of phrases you can use when you meet someone or just want to start a friendly chat.
Yeah, small talk is super important in English. It helps you sound warm, polite, and confident, even if it's just a short conversation.
Let's start with an easy one. Long time no see. We use this when we meet someone after a long time.
Right. For example, hey, Jennifer, long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while. How have you been? See how natural that sounds? It's friendly and casual.
You can also say it's been a while or I haven't seen you in ages. All of them mean the same thing.
Next one, you look great. It's a nice compliment and a great way to start a conversation.
Yes, everyone likes to hear something positive. For example, you look great today, or you look really happy.
It's a simple way to make someone smile and start chatting naturally.
Here's another one. How was your weekend? This is a perfect small talk question for Monday mornings or when you see someone after the weekend.
Exactly. You can say, hey, Jack, how was your weekend?
It was nice. I went to the beach. How about you?
Oh, I just stayed home and watched movies. That's a perfect example of natural conversation.
Another great phrase is, what have you been up to? It means, what have you been doing lately?
You can say, hey, what have you been up to these days?
Not much, just busy with work, or I've been studying a lot lately.
It's a very common and natural way to catch up with someone.
And here's one more. Nice to see you again. You can say this when you meet someone you already know.
Yes, it shows you're happy to see them, and it sounds polite. For example, hey, nice to see you again.
You can also say, good to see you. Both are friendly, natural, and easy to use.
So let's do a quick review of what we learned. We practiced long time no see, you look great, how was your weekend, what have you been up to, and nice to see you again.
These are perfect for small talk. Use them when you meet friends, classmates, or coworkers. They'll make your English sound natural and friendly.
Exactly. The secret to natural English is not big words. It's using simple phrases with the right emotion and confidence.
That's true, and in our next part, we'll learn how to keep a conversation going, what to say after hello, and how to sound more confident when you talk.
Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with part 4. Welcome back, everyone. You're listening to English Podcast with FTJ.
In this part, we'll learn how to keep a conversation going naturally, so it doesn't feel short or awkward.
Yeah, sometimes people know how to start a conversation, but they don't know how to continue it. So today, we'll give you easy and natural expressions that help you sound friendly and confident.
Let's start with this one. Really? It's a simple word, but very useful. You can use it to show interest or surprise.
For example, a friend says, "I went to Japan last month."
You can say, "Really? That's awesome!"
Exactly. Just saying "really" keeps the conversation alive and shows that you're interested.
The next one is, "That's interesting." You can say this when someone tells you something new or surprising.
For example, "My brother started learning guitar."
Oh, that's interesting. How long has he been learning?
Perfect. See how Jennifer added a question after that? It keeps the chat going.
Another great one is, "Tell me more." This one is amazing because it shows curiosity and makes the speaker feel good.
For instance, "I started a new job last week."
Wow, really? Tell me more.
Simple, natural, and friendly. Just perfect for everyday English.
Here's another one. "That's amazing." We say this when we want to show excitement or happiness for someone.
For example, "I passed my exam."
That's amazing! Congratulations!
It's a short phrase, but it makes people feel good, and it keeps the conversation positive.
Another useful one is, "I know what you mean." It's a way to agree and show understanding.
For example, "I've been so busy lately."
Yeah, I know what you mean.
It helps you connect with people. It shows empathy and makes the conversation feel real.
Okay, here's the last one for today. Exactly. You can say it when you strongly agree with someone.
For example, "It's important to practice speaking every day."
Exactly. That's the best way to improve.
It's short but powerful. It keeps the flow natural and shows you're really engaged.
So today, we learned some key conversation fillers. Really? That's interesting. Tell me more. That's amazing. I know what you mean. Exactly.
Absolutely. Don't be afraid to use your voice and show emotion when you speak. That's how real English sounds.
Great job, everyone. And in the next part, we'll talk about how to end a conversation politely. The phrases you can use to say goodbye naturally.
Stay with us. You're listening to English Podcast with FTJ. In this final part, we're going to learn how to end a conversation politely and naturally, just like native speakers do.
Yeah, ending a conversation is just as important as starting one. You want to sound friendly, polite, and confident, not awkward or rude.
Let's start with the first phrase. "It was nice talking to you." You can say this when you finish a conversation with someone, especially if it's your first time meeting them.
For example, "It was nice talking to you, Jennifer."
"It was nice talking to you too, Jack. Have a great day."
It sounds polite, natural, and it's perfect for both casual and formal situations.
The next one is, "I'd better get going." We say this when we need to leave or finish the chat politely.
For example, "I'd better get going. I have a class soon." It means I have to leave now, but it sounds softer and friendlier.
You can also add, "Talk to you later," or "Let's catch up soon," after it.
Another nice phrase is, "Catch you later." It's casual and friendly, perfect when you're saying goodbye to a friend. All right, catch you later, Jennifer.
Sure. See you around. That's how real conversations sound. Short, relaxed, and natural.
You can also say, "Have a good one." It's a cool way to say, "Have a nice day," and it sounds super natural.
For example, "Okay, I'll see you soon. Have a good one." It's short, friendly, and great for everyday English.
And of course, you can never go wrong with "see you soon" or "talk to you later." These are simple ways to end the conversation in a positive way.
Exactly. They make people feel good and leave a nice final impression. So, today we learned some great ways to end conversations naturally. "It was nice talking to you." I'd better get going. Catch you later. Have a good one, and see you soon.
That's right. Use these phrases every day when you finish talking with a friend, classmate, or even a coworker. They make your English sound confident, polite, and smooth.
All right, everyone. That's the end of today's episode of English Podcast with FTJ. We hope you enjoyed learning how to speak English naturally every day.
Remember, the key to sounding natural is not speaking fast. It's using real expressions with the right feeling.
Exactly. Keep practicing a few minutes every day, and you'll sound more fluent, confident, and natural.
Thanks for listening. If you like today's episode, don't forget to follow English Podcast with FTJ for more easy and fun English lessons.
Take care, everyone. And remember, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.